It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. Oh my gosh, you guys, I got the shirt right again. I'm so excited. I hope everyone is having a good day. August 2nd. And we're talking about more Halloween today at Bath and Body Works. It's kind of funny because Bath and Body Works has really switched over their website right now. And it's beautiful. It's all Halloween, and then they're starting to promote the Chasing Fireflies. But what's interesting is I do not see anywhere the promos for today. Usually, like there's that promo bar. Let me go into top offers. Maybe you have to click on top offers now. The soap sale. By the way, I did my soap sale. Oh, the body care is buy three get three free today. I would not have known that unless I had clicked on the top offers, because they actually took it off on the desktop, that bar. But they are promoting Halloween all over the place. Something Enchanted awaits, cast your spell, pump up the frights with the soap, and then actually Chasing Fireflies has got like a Halloween vibe. So they're definitely going full on fall and Halloween on the website. So I want to talk about Everlasting Magic today. Now, I need to do a comparison of this a little bit later because I had a couple people ask me if this is sugared cherry crisp. I got to dig out my sugared cherry crisp. I know it's somewhere, but everything is such a mess right now. I am so immersed in all the new stuff. I got to go find sugared cherry crisp. But I kind of get that because I know what sugared cherry crisp smells like, obviously. And yeah, there is a vibe with the sugared cherry crisp. So we're going to do a comparison a little bit later. So the packaging, we got 3 Halloween designs this year. We got Everlasting Magic. We got the Midnight Spell. I always do that because this is where the confusion comes in. There's a couple of different lines. Actually, the body care is called Midnight Spell, but then there is the Moonlit Graveyard. So there's a couple of different like crazy Halloween things out there. Honestly, like I said, I feel like this is one of the most confusing Bath and Body Works fall launches, only in the fact that there's so much stuff coming out. So hit the subscribe button because we're going to go through all of it. So right now, Everlasting Magic is actually one of my favorites. I love the burgundy. I've always loved burgundy. I love the snake. I really want to get my hands on that snake mist wrap. There is a Shimmer Fizz body lotion. We're going to talk about this. There is the Fine Fragrance Mist. There's no regular lotion. There's a shower gel, which honestly, did I order the shower gel? Because I cannot find it at the moment, and it's driving me crazy. I got to get the Everlasting Magic in the shower gel. I feel like a lot of people are in the same boat as me, where we're just gathering all of our Halloween pieces together because it's kind of all over there. They have it in the Diamond Shimmer Mist, but not the mini, just the full size, but it's gorgeous. It's like this nice, like pinky mauve. And then, of course, we have the candle, which I got back in like June. I've been enjoying the candle for a really long time. So the scent notes on this one are the Bejeweled Berries, Phantom Petals, and Magic Musk. I gotta say, this is one of my favorite scents. I'm a little bit sad that, Enchanted Candy Potion is not back. I keep hoping they put it online as an online exclusive a little bit later. But this one's good. You definitely get the rich berry. I've said before, it kind of smells like a giant truck driving by. It kind of smells like, almost like a royal berry. This is rich. It's a little bit heavy, but I don't think it's as heavy as like the plum note in Vampire Blood. There's a sweetness, but it's not like overly sugary, which I think a lot of people are gonna like. Phantom Petals, that alludes to like a floral. I'm not getting a full-on floral with this. I would call it more of like a dried flower undertone, which again I like. And then of course, Magic Musk. I mean, that could mean anything. Magic Musk. It's rich. It's the berries. It's the dried floral. The sweetness without being overly sweet. The lasting power, Isn't like super strong though. On the dry down, you're gonna have to like maybe reapply, you know, every couple hours. This isn't like super, super strong, but I still love it. It's like one of my favorites. I just reapply. I'm like, you know what? I'll carry this one with me and keep reapplying. I love that berry note that comes out when you first spray it on. Interestingly, I feel like the Diamond Shimmer Mist smells just a little bit different. I get a little bit more berry in it. I don't know. It's really bothering me because I thought I had the shower gel, and I'm looking through all my Halloween stuff and I don't have it. It's just, I cannot believe I don't have the shower gel. We're going to do a whole shower gel Halloween review, which you know I love doing. I love the Diamond Shimmer Mist. There's just a touch more berry in it, I think, which is wonderful. And then we have the cream. I've used the cream on my legs. I love it. Again, it's that rich berry. I'm going to polish my furniture with this one. I think this is going to be absolutely wonderful. I love it. I love it. It's not as much berry as in the mist and the Diamond Shimmer Mist. For some reason, this has more of like a dry scent to it. A little bit less berry in the cream, but I still like it. And then, of course, we have the Shimmer Fizz. These are going to make great gifts. Is everyone gifting this for Halloween? I think it's going to make a great gift. So this, check it out. Look what this does. So you spray it out, and it looks all like bubbly. Now listen. It crackles, which is kind of interesting. And then what you do is you just kind of rub it on, and you get like a shimmer. And it does like dry down. It's not sticky after it dries down. I get the rich berries in this one too. I've used this a couple times. So a lot of people are like, why am I getting the lotion and the Diamond Shimmer Mist? Because they both sparkle. Well, this is more of just like a mist. It's thicker than the actual regular mist. But a lot of people like the Shimmer lotion because it does, when it goes on, it feels a little bit more like a lotion than a mist. So a lot of people like that. It's just kind of what you like. I know a lot of people like this bottle because it's kind of pretty. I love the snake. There's no snake on this one. This one's got a spider. Spiders, snakes, all kinds of fun stuff for Halloween. This one has a snake, and this one, no snake. Like, snake, no snake. And then, of course, we have the candle, which has got the beautiful lid. I hope everyone got one of these if they wanted during the $14.95 sale. I love the candle. I love the crown. I love everything about this. This is wonderful. So overall, Everlasting Magic is definitely one of my top Halloween fragrances. We're going to break all this down. I'll be doing, you know, like ranking videos too, but I just wanted to give everyone kind of a heads up on Everlasting Magic today because buy 3, get 3 sale. And I'm hearing on, I believe it's Sunday, we are supposed to be having the mist sale. It's going to be $4.95. Try to believe it, which is exciting. Jason texted me. Thank you, Jason. And then Tess, Life Inside the Page, also texted me. So I'm trying to figure out, what day was that? I just want to look to see what day that's supposed to. I thought it was Sunday. That would make sense because they usually like to do those on the weekend. Let me just see really quick here if I have a date yet on this one. Let me see. I don't think I have a date yet. I thought it was Sunday. Let me know, you guys. I know it's out there on the internet somewhere. Anyway, that is when you're going to want to get your mist. So today would be a good day to pick up, like if you're doing buy 3, get 3, do the shower gels because then you can do those at a lesser price. Anyway, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.